job. Hey, bye, buddy.
Good job, babe.
All right, we just got up here to my deer that we just shot, and I also used the Savage Model 10 223 shooting the Hornady pointed soft point 55 grain bullets. So what do you think, Micaiah?
She's pretty.
She's pretty, yeah. What do you think, Joseph? Good? Yeah. There's mommy. Yeah, I took a couple more shots than I hoped for. I went for the neck shot there and got her right there and then put her down and had to put another one in the head. But the first one I was trying to hit her in the head, and of course I missed. And normally I wouldn't miss that, but goes to show everybody misses. I waited to the last day to do it, and then we were a little concerned because we couldn't see any. Huh, Davis?
Yeah.
And we had a lot of weather come in this year. It's real pretty. But Joseph got to see us shoot, huh, Joseph? Yeah, and Micaiah. So what do you guys think? Yep. Bye.